Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your Power BI dashboards with some seriously cool AI-powered visuals, forecasting, smart narratives, and instant data-driven insights. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to not just spot trends in your data, but explain them, making your reports clearer, smarter, and way more impressive. Let's dive right in. We're starting with a dataset that tracks monthly sales and profit for the year 2023. It's just 4 columns: year, month, sales, and profit. You can picture this as a simple table, maybe exported from Excel or your ERP system. But before we jump into AI features, there's one key setup step to make all the magic possible: creating a proper date column. Now, this might sound technical, but trust me, it's crucial for forecasting and time-based analysis. Power BI needs the x-axis to be continuous asterisk, which means it should recognize your dates in a form it understands, not just Jan, Feb, etc. To do this, let's create a new column called month number. If you're working in Power BI Desktop, you can use the switch function to turn each month name into the right number. January is 1, February is 2, and so on through December. The formula looks like this. Month number equals switch sales month, Jan 1, Feb 2, Dec 12. Having this kind of number mapping helps Power BI arrange your data chronologically. Once you've got month number set, we need to create an actual date, something the software can visualize on a timeline. For this use, month start date equals date sales year sales month number 1. So for Feb 2023, Power BI sees February 1, 2023. This single column unlocks all kinds of analysis. From here on, make sure you use month start date for your charts whenever you need time-based visuals. Alright, now for the AI forecasting, and here, where things get exciting. Insert a line chart onto your Power BI canvas, set your x-axis to month start date, and make sure it's set to continuous. Your y-axis should be sales. This creates a familiar visualization, sales numbers rising and falling through the year. Next, open the Analytics pane, a somewhat hidden gem in Power BI, and choose Forecast. Set the forecast period, for example, predict 3 months ahead, and keep the confidence interval at 95% so you get a good balance of risk and reliability. What you'll see is an extension of your sales line into the future, plus a shaded area showing the confidence range. Waiting a moment at this step is normal as Power BI crunches the numbers behind the scenes. Seeing the forecast doesn't just hint at upcoming numbers, it adds credibility to your reports, almost like driving with headlights on in the fog, helping you see what's likely ahead. Let's make the dashboard smarter with auto-generated narratives. Select your new line chart and go to Insert Right Arrow Smart Narrative. Power BI will instantly analyze the trends it sees, summarizing them in plain English right inside your report, something like, sales increased by 200% from January to December. The real power here is that these narratives are dynamic. You can edit them, add your own measures such as total sales or sales growth percent, and even combine custom summaries with built-in insights. This saves you tons of time and makes your analysis understandable even for people who aren't data experts. Now for that next level of AI explaining why those changes happened. Insert a column chart, again using month start date for the x-axis and sales for the y-axis. Right-click on any bar where there's a noticeable jump, for example, if sales spike from September to October. Choose Analyze Right Arrow, explain the increase. Power BI will then generate an AI visual breaking down the drivers behind that change. Maybe profit went up because of a seasonal campaign, or maybe it's due to a particular product line. If your dataset only has one variable, the explanation will be simple, but try expanding your data to include regions, products, or sales channels for richer, more detailed insights. It's almost like having your own data detective on call. So that's how you use Power BI's AI visuals to forecast, narrate, and explain your sales data. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment if you've got questions, want to share your experience, or have other tutorial requests. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveling up your data skills. See you in the next video.